It was Monday morning.
Oh no! I'm awake! I need the bathroom! The door is locked!
Dad, are you almost done?
Hey, just one more minute.
Please hurry! I need the bathroom too.
Now we both have to wait.
Looks like I'm waiting too. We all need the bathroom.
The bathroom is free now.
Thank you, Dad.
Now I have to wait.
I'm finished.
My turn.
I hope we're not late.
I'll be quick.
Thanks, Tom.
Oh no, we're running late.
Oh no, we're late.
Come on, everyone.
Eat your breakfast quickly.
I'm almost ready.
We have to leave now.
Let's go.
I hope we get there on time.
Bye, Dad.
Sorry I'm late.
More food to Prigego.
We need a better plan. I have a great idea. Great idea. Let's make a bathroom plan. Everyone will have a turn.
That's a great idea.
Now we won't forget.
Tomorrow will be better.
A1A.
I'll go first. Your turn, Lili.
I'll be quick.
Everything is going perfectly.
Now it's my turn.
Everything is easy today.
Good job, everyone. We're right on time.
Let's have a great day.
Have a great day, Dad.
Good morning, everyone. The plan really works.